engineering graphics course. So it's given here, draw the following figures using the snap and grid by default, and line weight in the zero layer is 0.3 millimeters. And firstly, this drawing is in the metric system. First thing we want to do is open AutoCAD in the metrics, or you can type in units from here, and then this pops up, and under this units to scale we see that it's in millimeters already. But if you wanted it in inches instead, or feet, or any other desired unit, we could change it from here. But for this problem or this question, it wants it in millimeters. And we need to turn on the drawing grid, and we need also that it said snap to grid. So any line we draw will start from one of these points. So starting from the bottom left, the line goes up vertically by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots, or 60 millimeters. 60. 1, 2, then it goes across by 1, 2, 3, 30 millimeters. Then it goes down to the right diagonally by 1, 2 units, 20 millimeters. 1, 2, well, not 20, 2 units. And it goes across by 1, 2, 20 millimeters. And it goes down 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 units, 40 millimeters. And then closing at 70 millimeters. But also close, since we started at this point, we can just type C, and then it will close itself. And also, to do this drawing on the right now, you can see that it's been labeled the steps. So start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to 11, and close the figure. So the figure on the right has the same base. It's on the same base as the figure on the left. So starting here from 1, it goes up to 2 by 1 unit, 10 or 10 millimeters. Then it goes across to the top right 1, 2 units, and touches 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Hold on. Should be 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Wrong way. Alright. Going up 1, and 1, 2, 1, 2. Right. Then from 3, it goes up 1, 2, 3 units. 1, 2, 3. Then it goes across to 5, to the left 1 unit. Goes up to 6, upwards 1 unit. Then 7, from 4 we can count the dots vertically. So from 4 you have 1, 2 dots upwards to reach 7. So it would be here. And 7 to 8, that's 1, 2, 2 units to the right. And then going down to 9, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units downwards. And then touching 10, that's 1, 2, or we can just make it align with 2. So we can drag the line right here, and then it will trace. This looks like it. And going down 1 unit, and then from here I can type C. And this exercise is complete.